Here's how to fix YouTube Premium not downloading videos. Now, if you go into a video and when you're in that video, you swipe over and tap on download, but it's not downloading to your device, the first thing we can do is check your settings. So let's hop out of any videos that you're currently watching. And from here, you're going to tap on the U button at the bottom right, and then the gear icon at the top right. Now within here, it could be causing issues because maybe you have it set to only download on Wi-Fi, but you're on cell service. You can check that by scrolling down to backgrounds and downloads. And you can see here, it says download over Wi-Fi only. If I toggle this off, it will allow me to download both on cell data as well as Wi-Fi. I would also recommend checking your storage and making sure where it says, you can see here 51 gigabytes free, that you have enough space to be able to download that video to your phone or computer. You can always go through and hit delete downloads if you wanted to, basically delete those, and also go to download quality and try a lower quality like 720p to see if it downloads then. If it still doesn't download, let's hop out of the YouTube app and open up a web browser. Let's make sure it's not an issue with your internet connection. So on here, we're just going to type in speed test and then hit run speed test. You're going to look for something over, say, 5 megabytes per second to make sure it's fast enough to be able to download those videos onto your phone or computer. If that still looks good, let's go through the process of freeing up and clearing out that YouTube app and then just basically refreshing it. So to do that, we're going to head into the settings and then tap on general and iPhone storage. Now within here, it'll show you all of the apps that are downloaded to your phone. A lot of times the YouTube app can have glitches or bugs. So let's offload the app and then just reinstall it. That almost always fixes it. So from here, we're going to find YouTube on this list. Let's hit show all, and there's YouTube. Now I'm just going to offload this app and then reinstall it. Keep in mind, if you're on a Android phone, all you need to do is clear the cache and clear the storage on it, and then just update the phone to the latest version. By doing so, it will definitely fix any bugs or glitches in that YouTube app and allow you to download those videos.